Good morning, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet where we turn everyday spaces into dream homes. Today, we are stepping into one of my absolute favorite topics, spring farmhouse style. Imagine crisp morning air, fresh blooms on every surface, and that warm golden light pouring through sheer linen curtains. If that sounds like your kind of home, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a design moment. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite spring color. I read every single one. Before we even step inside, let us talk about that farmhouse facade because first impressions are everything. For spring, think crisp white board and batten siding paired with a classic black front door, a timeless contrast that never grows old. Flank your entrance with oversized terracotta planters bursting with white tulips and trailing ivy. Add a wooden window box filled with lavender for that signature farmhouse charm. A galvanized metal house number plaque and a simple lantern-style porch light complete the look. This is called curb appeal layering, and it works beautifully every single time. Step inside and breathe it all in. The entryway sets the emotional tone for your entire home. Mount a classic shaker-style coat and hat rack in warm honey oak, hooks for coats, a small shelf above for straw hats and woven baskets. Below, a slim shoe cabinet with a lift-top lid keeps things tidy without sacrificing style. Add a cushioned wooden bench with hairpin legs for easy shoe changes. Lean a vintage-framed arched mirror against the wall to amplify light. Finish with a chunky jute mat layered over a black and white buffalo check rug. Spring magic, instantly achieved. Now let us zoom into those entryway details because accessories are where personality lives. Hang a small galvanized metal bucket filled with fresh eucalyptus and white ranunculus on one of those coat hooks. It doubles as decoration and air freshener. Place a small wooden tray on the bench for keys, a candle, and a tiny potted succulent. A chalkboard sign that reads, "Welcome Spring," adds handmade charm. These are what designers call vignettes, intentional little styled groupings that tell a visual story. Think of each surface as a tiny gallery, and you will never go wrong. Walking into the living room, we want to feel that exhale, complete relaxation. Start with a neutral linen sofa in warm cream, layered with sage green and dusty blue throw pillows. A chunky knit blanket draped casually over the armrest adds that coveted, lived-in luxury feel. Ground the space with a large jute area rug, the foundation of every great farmhouse living room. For spring, swap out heavy drapes for billowing sheer white curtains that dance in the breeze. Fresh peonies in a simple mason jar on the coffee table? Absolutely non-negotiable. Let us talk furniture choices because in farmhouse design, every piece earns its place. Your anchor piece is a reclaimed wood coffee table. The knots, grain, and imperfections are the beauty, not the flaws. Flank your sofa with mismatched but coordinated side tables, one wooden, one metal, for that collected over time aesthetic designers call curated eclecticism. A shiplap accent wall in bright white reflects spring light beautifully and adds architectural character. Hang a large round rattan mirror above your console table to bring in natural texture. Style your bookshelves with greenery, white ceramics, and worn hardcover books. Nothing says farmhouse spring quite like a beautifully styled dining table. Start with a raw-edge live-edge oak dining table as your centerpiece. Its organic shape connects your interior to nature effortlessly. Surround it with a mix of wooden spindleback chairs and an upholstered bench on one side for casual, welcoming energy. For your spring tablescape, layer a washed linen table runner down the center. Fill a vintage ironstone pitcher with garden-fresh stems. Think sweet peas, chamomile, and greenery. Add mismatched white ceramic plates with linen napkins tied simply with twine. Effortless, warm, and completely stunning. Now we arrive at the heart of the home, the farmhouse kitchen. Painted shaker cabinets in a soft off-white paired with aged brass hardware immediately establish that signature farmhouse warmth. A farmhouse apron front sink in crisp white is the style investment that pays dividends every single day. Your refrigerator should blend in. A panel-ready or retro-style fridge in cream or matte black works beautifully here. The stove, ideally in a soft sage green or classic white, becomes a true focal point. Open shelving above displays your white ironstone collection and potted herb garden, style meeting pure practicality. Here is what you have all been waiting for, the spring farmhouse coffee corner. Tuck a compact espresso machine or pour-over setup onto a dedicated wooden floating shelf or small butcher block cart. Surround it with a tiered wooden tray holding glass jars of coffee beans, cinnamon sticks, and raw sugar cubes. Hang a small chalkboard above with your current coffee menu written in elegant script. Stack mismatched vintage mugs on a small wooden mug tree. Add a tiny bud vase with a single fresh sprig of mint or lavender. This tiny corner becomes the most photographed spot in your home. Transitioning into the family room, we want comfort dialed all the way up. Mount your flat-screen television on a shiplap feature wall. The whitewood tones down the technology and integrates it naturally. Frame the TV with floating wooden shelves styled with candles, greenery, trailing pothose plants, and small framed family photographs. Your sofa here can be slightly more relaxed. A deep-seated sectional in a performance fabric in warm taupe works perfectly for family life. Layer multiple throw blankets and mismatched cushions generously. A large wicker basket beside the sofa corrals throws beautifully and adds organic texture to the room. Every modern home needs a thoughtful workspace, and farmhouse style handles this beautifully. Choose a small, unique writing desk, perhaps one in distressed white with tapered legs and a single drawer. Style the desktop with intention. A small vintage-inspired desk clock with a warm brass finish becomes both functional art and a charming conversation starter. Tuck a compact retro-style radio beside it for soft background music that enhances focus without distraction. A simple wooden letter tray, a ceramic pen holder with a sprig of dried lavender, and a small framed botanical print complete this perfectly productive farmhouse corner. Every farmhouse home deserves a reading nook, and spring is the perfect season to create yours. Find an underused corner near a window and anchor it with a curved or slip-covered armchair in soft white. Add a small round side table for your coffee cup and current book. Layer a sheepskin throw over the chair arm and a woven ottoman at the foot for maximum comfort. Built-in bookshelves painted in a soft white surround the space, filled with beloved books and trailing ivy. Hang sheer curtains that filter that beautiful spring light into something almost golden. Pure bliss. Your bedroom should feel like a luxury bed and breakfast, the kind you never want to check out of. Start with a shiplap feature wall behind your bed in soft white for that signature farmhouse backdrop. Choose a wooden bed frame with a gentle headboard in natural oak or painted white. Layer your bedding generously. Start with a crisp white duvet, add a textured waffle weave blanket, then scattered linen pillows in sage, blush, and cream. For spring, introduce a bouquet of white tulips on your nightstand beside a warm-glow ceramic table lamp. Soft, serene, and completely breathtaking. Bedroom styling lives in the details. Drape a vintage-style quilt folded at the foot of the bed for layered warmth and visual interest. This technique is called foot-of-bed styling, and it elevates any bedroom instantly. Place a small wooden tray on your dresser holding a candle, a perfume bottle, and a tiny framed quote. Hang simple sheer linen curtains that puddle slightly on the floor for that romantic, effortless feel. A woven seagrass basket under the window holds extra blankets beautifully. A vintage botanical print gallery wall above the dresser adds color, personality, and that artfully collected aesthetic. The farmhouse bathroom is a sanctuary of simplicity and calm. For your shower, opt for white subway tiles laid in a classic brick pattern, timeless and incredibly versatile. Add a teak or bamboo shower shelf for spring-scented botanical body washes and a small bundle of eucalyptus hanging from the shower head. The steam releases the most beautiful natural fragrance. Your vanity or waste-to-fill area shines with a vessel sink in white ceramic atop a weathered wood vanity cabinet. Brass or matte black faucets add contrast. Fold fluffy white towels in a wicker basket beside the vanity for that boutique hotel farmhouse touch. Most homeowners overlook the garage, but a farmhouse garage done right is genuinely inspiring. Paint your garage door in classic black or deep forest green with white trim for instant curb appeal enhancement. Inside, install simple white pegboards for tool organization. Functional, clean, and surprisingly stylish. Add open wooden shelving along one wall for labeled galvanized metal bins. For spring, place potted geraniums flanking the interior entrance door and a simple welcome mat. A vintage-style lantern hung near the entry adds that warm farmhouse glow even in a utilitarian space. Function and beauty can absolutely coexist here. Step outside onto the farmhouse patio, where spring living truly comes alive. Anchor the space with a large round teak or acacia wood dining table surrounded by mismatched wooden chairs, some with cushions in a classic striped fabric. Hang string lights above in a gentle zigzag pattern for magical evening ambience. Place oversized terracotta pots, overflowing with lavender, rosemary, and trailing nasturtiums along the perimeter. A wooden swing or hanging rattan chair in one corner creates an irresistible reading spot. Layer in a large outdoor jute rug to define the seating zone and add that indoor-outdoor flow that modern farmhouse living does so effortlessly. Let me share some quick, actionable tips to bring this entire spring farmhouse vision to life in your own home today. Swap heavy winter cushions for linen covers in sage, blush, and warm white. Bring the outdoors in with fresh botanicals. Even a single stem in a simple bud vase transforms a surface. Replace synthetic candles with beeswax or soy candles in spring scents like lemon verbena or fresh linen. Layer natural textures. Jute, rattan, linen, and reclaimed would create that layered warmth. Finally, declutter one surface at a time and replace items with intentional, beautiful vignettes. Small changes, extraordinary results. And there you have it, friends. A complete spring farmhouse home, from the blooming exterior to the sun-drenched patio, styled with warmth, intention, and that irresistible farmhouse soul. Remember, great design is never about perfection. It is about creating spaces that feel genuinely, deeply like you. Start small, trust your instincts, and enjoy every step of the process. I hope today's tour filled your heart with ideas and your notebook with inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly means the world to this channel. Drop your favorite room in the comments below, and most importantly, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. See you in the next one.